even know what is the real fact, what transpired, the way forward. You don't know, and you don't even care to ask. All you know is to talk jargons on your live video, not even having that conscience to say, okay, before we even deal with this girl, let's call her and calm her down. No, now not be like that. You guys are all looking for topic. That is the simple reason why I stopped that girl not to do any video again. Now we are not see rich, we are not no rich. Now they are not no rich. You guys should go and do better things with your time and stop looking for people's downfall to make topics on social media. But there is a good news for my better people way in the inside. There is a good news. She has finally, you know, hugged her baby today, and I will be calling her to put her on live. That's to talk to me so you guys will hear her voice. I'm just trying to connect. This phone is not connecting. I don't know what's wrong. The internet. You can eat it if you want. Don't distract me. I don't know what is wrong with this internet. This phone is not connecting at all. Let me reboot it. Let me reboot this phone. Because it's this one I will use to call her. We're in Cologne. Look at where we are. We're in Cologne. You see that? That's Cologne. We're in Cologne, Hofbahnhof. We are traveling. We are traveling to Bayern. Bayern. Before we get there today, it will be 1 o'clock after midnight. Like, let me just say, midnight they don't break now. So that's when we'll get. Because I closed from work before we started this journey.
So are you gonna stay in Munich?
I am on live. Behave, eh?
Are you gonna stay in
I'm
Munich
talking.
with us?
Of course, we have to come back together now.
Oh, I thought you were gonna leave us.
No. I can't leave you guys because I will not come back next week to pick you guys. So instead, let's spend the 4 days together. This is not like before that I always leave you. I can't leave you because next weekend I'll be very busy. I won't have time to travel to Bayern.
Because I look handsome.
This guy is so scary.
Mama, you think it's scary? I think it looks beautiful.
No, it's so scary, so big.
It doesn't really look very scary, just a little scary. Maybe you... Mama, when you are safe, your eyes are very hot.
Mm.
When you are safe, your eyes are very hot, very red, because you're gonna be cutting onions and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
Then it will be very hot or red. Why am I just saying hot?
Please, I'm trying to connect. I'm not seeing any comment. I'm not seeing anything. What has been me? I know day life. I'm on life now. I'm seeing people there. But I'm not seeing comment, and I want to share this broadcast so that I can also call this girl from this phone. I don't know what's wrong. Yeah, I want to. It's not connecting. I'm even connected to the train Wi-Fi, but it's not connecting because this is the only phone I can use to contact her. Let me just call her, for example. Let me see if it will go.
Mama.
Don't disturb me. Mama is on live.
Okay.
It's not picking, guys. Just hold on, guys, please. Eh?
Mama, you look handsome.
Thank you.
That's what I wanted to say.
Thank you. You always say that to Mama. Thank you. It's not picking. This thing is not connecting. I don't know why. So, guys, let me just talk to you guys briefly. You know, social media platform is like it's like a home for each and every one of us, because something good or bad, we are always there. Okay, and I think what we are supposed to be doing to each other or using social media platform for is to empower and uplift each other. So what happened to this girl a few days ago? You all know the video that went viral, and how that girl was so upset and bittered and filled with pains and all that. So I saw a lot of bloggers blogging it, saying jargons, you know, talking trash, even single mothers. Imagine single mothers handling such case and even, you know, talking down on the girl. Love of a thing is something you cannot control. We all once fell in love, and we all in one way or the other have passed through heartbreak and all that, you know. This girl coming out, if I had knew her before, she wouldn't have come out to do that video. No, she did it because out of desperation. She did it out of frustration. She did it because there was nobody to console her at that moment, tell her what to do. And as a mother that I am, I took it upon myself. I really did not even know that girl was an innocent girl, precisely Oromi girl, until I contacted her to see how I can be of help. And to God be the glory. Blood, they say, is thicker than water, you know. So to God be the glory. In all the inbox she got, mine was the one she responded to, according to her. She responded to me, and I said, okay, I'm the one that checked on you because of your video blog. I will talk to her. Sit down very well. Sit on your seat. So I talked to her, I spoke with her, and I asked her to send me her WhatsApp number. She sent it to me. So I called her on WhatsApp, we spoke, talk. I encouraged her. I told her things that I'm not supposed to say here, what's way forward and all that. Until I finally knew that she was an innocent girl, an Uromi girl. Oh! Who does that? I said, oh, Miguel, why would you make such mistake? We are not going to talk about tribal issues here. No. Bini and Esan, Urobo, Igbo, wherever, we are all one. We are one Nigerian. But immediately, I told her to quickly go and delete all the videos she did, even though the video has gone viral. So she went and she deleted all the video in her page, and I told her never to do another video. We, the Essence, will come to her aid and will make sure everything is being settled indoors. So I'm on live, and when I'm on live, don't distract me. So that was it. We spoke at length. I started contacting people that I know also. Until today. She finally had an appointment. She went there, and guess what? It was good news. She had a baby again, and one with God is a majority. What God cannot do does not exist. The same people that crucified her, the same people that crucified her begin to tell her that they are sorry, that they begin to tell her that they are sorry, that what she had on that day wasn't the right thing that she was supposed to hear, that she misunderstood them. So she finally accepted the self-contained, So they said all they wanted was to give her another house because that guy was not they were not safe with that guy being with them. So for the purpose of the baby well-being and the mother, so that's all they want is for her to accept another place so that they will be at peace, which I told her to accept, and she accepted. And now they are going to call her Natty next week to get a place for her. Then she can finally pack in with her baby, that they don't have any intention to take her baby from her. Okay, so she misunderstood because of the stress, the pain and everything. So her mind was just like, oh, they want to take my baby. But today I was at work, I was on the phone with her. We even on video call, not be saying maybe na call for voice. On video call, I was there. I took that risk at work today to make sure I was with her throughout. And to God be the glory. We finally got success. The only thing the baby missed today was the breast, because I told her don't give her that breast milk again because it's more than 2 days. Guys, I'm on live video. What is all this? So the only thing the children missed today was now I'm seeing comment. I wasn't seeing comment since. IT, good evening, my darling. God bless you, Sister Favor. Thank you so much. So the only thing the baby missed today was the breast milk, because you guys know that after 2 days of not breastfeeding, then the babies the breast milk become bad, sour, and it can cause stomach ache for the baby. So but she stayed all day today with her baby. She was so happy, she was smiling. And I wanted to do a video concerning her anytime she comes to Germany, because she's preparing to come to Germany to take a rest in my place, because all she needs now is a rest. And I told her my door is open, so go get a ticket. If you can't get a ticket, I'll finance the ticket, so she will come and take some rest before the house will be ready next week, and she'll go back. Or maybe if I'm free, I can take some days off and go with her and to present myself to the social workers that I'm her elder sister in Germany. And if it warrants for me to drop my ID, so that in case maybe sometimes she's feeling bored, or she wanted somewhere to travel to, she can easily tell them that she's traveling to her elder sister's place in Germany, and my home will be open for her to come in. So she was so happy. She's totally another person right now. It's not the jargons, all those hungry presenters who are born for 100 men go see they talk to person. Where is it written that a young girl cannot date an old man? Do you guys know what is love? It's not written anywhere that a young girl cannot date an advanced guy, even if the advanced guy happen to be stupid. Okay? So, or it's not written anywhere that a young girl cannot date a guy who has kids before. She has never had a kid. Some of them say they first take her first picking. This is her first unearthed child, her womb opener. That's why the team pain her so much. This is her womb opener. You understand me? This is her womb opener. She never had any child, and that baby is not 2 months. She was so bitter and confused. She was talking trash. The baby is not 2 months. Okay, it's not 2 months. I will not say. See, now we not even some of them for live video. We not even know we on a baby child Father's Day. Now go come and call they crucify this guy. I was just seeing videos. I was just like, I'm not a presenter. If not, I foresee what I go tell you now. Who does that? Shame don't cash you now. Shame don't cash you now. The next video I'm going to do concerning my sister, because she's an innocent girl, we don't wash our dirty linen outside. The next video will be when she finally carries her baby in her arm in my place, or when she's with me for holiday. She's coming to my own place. Yes, that's what we do for a son like us. We don't feel say more go draw outside that they disgrace and they beat them. We don't do that. We don't do that. What is all this now, precious? Nata, come and lie down here. Just leave it. Nata, come and lie down here. Come and lie down.
Yes, cool.
Okay, guys. So I will not sell her out to anyone, and I don't want to talk into this. I just want to share this good news, because I will be an ingrate if I don't share this good news that happens today. That is why I just want to talk a little bit about her. And Rebecca, good evening, my darling. Good evening. Thank you, IT. Thank you, IT. Thank you, darling. You understand? So I was expecting, as a web Nigerians, as mothers on social media, as soon as see that video, una first thing now to carry phone. How are we going to reach this girl? You guys saw that girl was almost going to buy herself. No, now can they create find what it call? Now can turn to judge. Now can turn to judge. Now can they find how now want to take crucify, how now want to do show for her head. It's not when it comes to an innocent girl like me. I'm sorry to disappoint you guys. Okay, so she will be in Germany any moment from now. I'm not around now because my son, I not be woman way born for Igbo. We don't know if I where the pikin don't know a family. So every month my son always have to travel to his father. So that's where he's going now for the next 4 days. We'll be coming back on Monday. And you guys, as you can see, I went to work today. I came back from work. I took off tomorrow, and have to take him there because next weekend I will be too busy. Okay, so my son is going to meet his family, to meet them as he always do every month. No, but now we don't know we are not baby fathers. They will not go see person get problem and they first jump come out. Why me no why be? You understand? So that is it. I want to see if she will pick her phone now. Let me call her so that she can also there is no way where go be say government could carry some person pikin, could carry her forever. It's not possible. Everyone for in Nigeria. Now they go by themselves finance, they can carry your pikin. Okay? So that one are for that one. And nothing we got not the feed it to. So now just carry on. Carry on for head. I just did look this. See, what was all this? What was all this? What was all this? Oh God. Let's put this in. I'm coming, guys. I'm trying to. Our number is here. Hey. I'm trying to call her. She reacted very well because most of those Facebook miscreants abandoned their own in Italy and ran to France. Yes, now. And they tell you. Now my pikin put them on. The I said they scare me when you get them. You know, say I ain't put them. I don't know what you go touch from my phone. Because me, I know sabi all this thing. Don't distract me. Sit down. You understand? So this is what you are supposed to do when cases like this, the so-called wannabe presenters. What's wrong with you now? The so-called wannabe presenters. Now also now they empower women. This is a woman that cried that now can they talk jargons. See all of them. single mothers by stupidity. Some way be say even Nigerian men don't abandon. They go end up for a country where they be say they common in-law. They don't know. They don't recognize them. They're going to talk about my own son sister. Now well. I really didn't want to do anything concerning this girl's video because she's an innocent girl. She's my sister. I can't sell her out to anybody. And if any of you are trying to reach her, she's not responding. I am the one that told her, don't answer anybody, don't reply anybody, don't explain to anybody. Yes, that is how we deal with her. Me and my other fellows and sisters that I contacted, we are into the matter. And to God be the glory, first step today was already a success. Was already a success. And I have a job. I don't collect social money. I'm not living in a social house. So I can stand 100% with her, with my documents. I say I be a sister for Germany. And I have kids. I don't have any criminal record. Even her matter tomorrow, they sit and down with my son family. They will know about this matter. They are going to come into this matter. Oibo, Jama family are going to come into this matter. Yes, that is what we do. You understand? That is why I call Papa and I say, I beg, let me bring your son this weekend. I have an issue to talk to you about. They will stand with me to stand with this girl. That is what we are supposed. That is what we are supposed to be doing for each other. Not because you see your fellow sister, they die, you join outside as they crucify them. We don't do it. We forbid it. Elimine sign that car. Elimine sign that car. Oh God, how can I call her now? Let me try Facebook.
Bitte beachten Sie die Verpflichtung zum Tragen einer medizinischen Maske an Bord unseres Zuges. Zur kontaktlosen Ticketkontrolle können Sie auch gerne den Komfort-Check-In benutzen. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We come on board the ICE to Munich Central Station. We wish you a pleasant journey. Our train is delayed by 20 minutes. We will reach Frankfurt Airport. Our next stop today at 9:10. About the next connecting trains, I will inform you as soon as possible.
Thank you, IT Jare. IT we don't know me. IT we don't know me for more than 15 years. If I not made mistake. Thank you, IT. Ifemi, thank you. No, it saddens my heart, my dear sister. It's not about Esan. You understand? It's not about Esan. It's all about having compassion for your fellow woman, your fellow Nigerian. My sister Larissa, now your children do am. I don't know what they taught you. Did they scare me? Not ask me when they do my eye whether the thing go come out. You know, we come me they close eye they talk. Me I they close eye they talk. Oh, I don't know. I be temperature say not be me we can get this phone. I don't know what he touch. If you see me, sometimes you go put some fire, go they come out from my head. I say shoe. Sometimes you go put some, you go, you don't go understand. What I make tell this speaking, may remove hands from my phone. Because the kind of way they do for example my phone, me self no they understand. Eh? Good evening, Larissa. Good evening. Good evening, my darling. God bless. I beg. Warn your children. Tell them they leave my phone for me. Those times I call they talk like what in there. Eh? Precious. I know one of these things that you are aunties, all the aunties say you should not touch mama's phone anymore.
Why?
Yeah, because all the things you are touching in the phone is you see your owner. You see her.
I want to see one more time.
No, go and sit down. They say you should not. I said, why you go talk that kind of thing now? Eh? Eh? See there. What I tell these children, I say, oh yeah, mama wants to concentrate now. At least her pressure will put more back. Hey, you want just
put makeup more.
Huh?
I'll put my makeup.
Don't touch my phone again, they said. They said, don't touch Mama's phone. It's written here. Precious, don't touch Mama's phone anymore. That's what Auntie say.
Hey.
Yes. So, dear.
When you give me the phone, then it's your fault.
So, shine no more. Shine. Oh, no change. I'm gonna just support me because I say if I put phone down, even though say you now you won't reach me, you go think say now Precious make no they carry phone. Not be me. 247 pim. When me I can't carry phone, so kind things. In fact, could you imagine that I cannot even drop my phone without Precious did not take it? Another 1 minute we just turn everything upside down.
What? I got some very important games inside that I have to win the levels.
Which levels? You have to win levels of games in my phone.
Yes.
If I this phone, I will be putting it inside Brisa.
No, never.
Okay, Larissa Lee, I think you are hearing. You say it's even going to cook more. Imagine, they see these children. Small picking, 6 years old. If you hold phone today, go turn her upside down. Eh? You just want to distract my talk. Now let me explain to my better people what's happening with Auntie. Oh yeah, go and sit down. Don't distract me. I'm trying to call her. That's just the problem. Now I'm really trying to reach her. I tell ya, me I don't know I take drama. Me I not just sabi all these things. So say na soup, you say me I cook now. I go carry number 1 inside. You know, when it comes to all this operating stuff, I don't just know how to do it. Really, it's not my thing. It's not my thing at all. It's not my thing. I'm trying to reach out to this our sister so I can call her. My sister, if I put pin, I will forget. I have a phone at home now. My X7 is condemned. I don't know the pin again. Now, even my Vodafone card right there inside. That's why all my phone is open.
Give me your X7.
I'm talking, please. Hello. Yeah. Where's our ticket? Just a moment, guys. Let me see. Where is the ticket? Okay. I'll meet my bank card. Willst du meine Bankkarte sehen?
Ja, bitte.
Let me give my bank card.
Gut. Haben Sie noch eine andere? Weil die ist nicht mehr gültig.
No, der hat Verlängerung im System. Weil ich habe spät gekundigt und er hat selber so gemacht.
Die haben Sie nicht dabei, oder?
Nein. Aber da hast schon, kannst du auch mit der Nummer gucken auf Liste?
Kann ich nicht gucken.
Also kennst du nicht, aber ist immer da.
Müssen Sie die Differenz bezahlen oder dann später,
Nein.
später zeigen?
No, ist so, der hat mir so gesagt. Ich habe keine andere da. Ist so. Das ist was habe ich ich habe das gegeben, wenn ich habe das gekauft. Ich habe das gegeben. Er hat es ja. Ist im System so. Ja, der hat so gegeben. Kannst du anrufen und dann.
Nee, ich kann noch nicht anrufen.
Ja?
Also Sie müssen was bezahlen oder.
Nein, ich habe keine.
Ich schreibe Ihnen was und dann
Okay.
müssen Sie zum Schalter gehen.
Okay, dann kannst du schreiben, dann ich
Dann
gehe.
brauche ich mal den Ausweis von Ihnen.
Ja? Weil ich habe keine andere.
Dann haben Sie 2 Wochen Zeit und dann können Sie die Bahn zeigen oder das am Schalter klären wegen einer neuen.
Ja, nein, der hat mir schon.
Da ist doch noch einer.
Also, vielleicht, Gott sei Dank.
Nee, die ist auch.
Nein, es ist der gleiche. Der hat mir das gleiche gegeben. Ist
Brauche ich
immer
mal den
noch.
Ausweis von Ihnen.
Ja. Einen Moment. Und was mache ich mit das jetzt?
haben jetzt einen Beleg von mir,
Für was?
weil Sie keine Bahncard vorzeigen können. Und damit gehen Sie dann mit der Fahrkarte und dem Beleg zum Fahrkartenschalter und klären das dort.
Weiß es nicht.
Weil ich kann nicht überprüfen, ob Sie eine haben.
Ja, okay, ja, das,
Das können die nur am Schalter machen.
also. Aber du kannst auch im System sehen.
Ja, da kann ich aber nicht drauf zugreifen auf das System, nur vom Zug aus.
Aber ich kann nicht dir sagen. Wenn ich habe nicht, dann ich sage dir, ich habe nicht. Aber das ist meine. Ich hoffe lange bis nächstes Jahr. Ich habe auch E-Mail hier, ich habe vorgestern E-Mail geschickt, dass im Januar muss der Kunde sein. Und er hat mir geantwortet. Vielleicht ich sage dir das.
Aber dann sollten Sie eine haben.
Ja, aber der hat mir nichts geschickt. Was kann ich jetzt machen? Aber mit Ihrer Kollegin geht immer alles gut. Ich weiß es nicht, warum du hast jetzt gesagt, es ist anders jetzt. Guys, wait please. Oder ich kann dir die E-Mail vom DB Bank zeigen, wenn du möchtest.
Nee, das brauche ich nicht, das reicht mir nicht.
Okay, das ist gut. Dann magst du das. Dann, wenn ich zurückkomme, schick das. This is not the connect right now. I won't call our sister, me and listen to her. Make she use her mouth tell you what happened today. But this, I don't know what's wrong with this one. It's not picking a Wi-Fi again. Why? And except from here, and this one I'm using to call. I don't know if I can call her from here. Yeah, your boy say thank you. Let me see if I can call her from here. There is no way I can do it. I don't think so. Do you guys know how I can call from here? I did try to call her for them, but this one is pausing. Anyways, maybe if we cannot do it now, since I cannot bring her online now, if I get to where we are going, I will call her. At least I'll be using the house phone there, so that she can just call in direct. Okay, she can call in. That would be better. Just as I told you guys, so the family of my son they are going to step into the case, and we are going to look for all our possible ways to support her and to help her. So guys, please, if you haven't subscribed, we follow this our page. This is a page where we empower people, you know. It's Prenat Empowerment Initiative. It's all about empowerment, empowering each other, you know, good vibes and all that. You know, it's not for saga. It's not for, we are not presenters. I'm not a presenter, and I'm not intending to be a presenter. So this is just a page open to reach out to the less privileged and all that. Okay, so if you want to be part of it, you're very, very welcome. You're very, very welcome to be part of it. At least help me share it out, invite people to like the page. So I believe, but as time goes on, you'll be glad you did. Okay, it's all about positivity here. Okay, thank you so much. So we are still on the train on our way. We are still on the train on our way to Bayern. We are Bayern Munich. So we're going to be arriving late night today. Late night.
By what?
Yeah, by 1 a.m. That's 1 a.m. After midnight. What did you do? What are you doing?
To school.
Did you take something from here?
No.
So Auntie said I should send her kisses to you guys. So guys, support. So that is just the update concerning our sister. More, we don't want to talk about anything more than that. She's fine, she's doing good, she's doing great. She was able to hug her baby again, and there is good news. Soon she's going to be with me here in Germany to visit, just for holiday, you know. So who want to be talking trash to continue talking it to all those presenters when they're hungry. So if not to use that in our time to go to find a baby papa moon and settle with them. Now they can't come, they come out to another person. So it will shock when the day when she will come Germany, and the day when I will finally do video say our baby day with us. Baby is doing fine. Our baby wasn't collected, so she only misunderstood the judge. In fact, they were even telling her today that they were sorry that she misunderstood them. That's the power of who God bless, no man can curse, okay? So now they ask questions well before now they do videos, now they blog. So, and apart from that, she doesn't have other child. This is her first womb opener. Those of you saying she have a child, her first speaking, see some lunatics are even saying she's irresponsible. We be so now the full on her body. So she's an innocent girl, confirm me Omone Saint Pierre. I'm proud of her. She's my sister, okay? And for that reason, we will not sell her out to anybody to talk down on her. Not possible. So now where she do that video reach, now they wanna go see video reach. Now not gonna know anything about the update except me coming out to tell my lovers consigned well meaningful mothers like me that are watching me right now. So apart from that, nothing I go here for social media. No, we don't wash our dirty linen in social media. Okay? We know how to deal with our sisters indoors when they are wrong, and we know how to console them also when they are passing through stress. So where she did wrong, which we all understand, I also told her this was where you were wrong. I wish I knew you before that video, you wouldn't have done it. So but thank God say that one where you do now be the last. And the video, make sure you go and delete everything based on picking where they respect. He heard that. Now so he says sister here, he deleted everything on her page. I know say some jobless people don't already download and keep. Who cares? But the good thing is that she listened and she deleted everything, and she's not happy. Today we laugh and laugh and laugh all through on phone today. We were laughing, we were discussing, talking like we know each other for years. That is what we are supposed to be doing to each other. So for that, there is good news. I just want to announce it to you guys. Everything is fine, baby is fine. She was able to hug her child again today. I wish she just pick her phone. I mean, Mona here, but there is no connection on this.